There's three critical components to the LaunchPad sequence of classes. The first critical step is to come up with a business model for your business idea. So a business model is a structure for how one would execute the business. The second step is how you take that business model as a foundational building block for a business plan. So a business plan analyzes key attributes for a total business enterprise. So every student would have to build a financial forecasting model and a marketing plan to determine, okay, are there a set of people out there who will buy this product or service? Will I make money? And if I can make money, how much money do I need to start the business? And then the third critical component is prototyping. How do I prototype my product or my service so that I can go out and test it on actual customers? Is there value in this product or not? Can I make money in doing it? So they're sort of fundamental questions. So if you can build a business model, come up with a good business plan, and get a prototype that you can validate the idea, you're good to go.
The students first go through the LaunchPad program, and then they move on to the Business Incubator program here at the university. The real goal of these incubator programs is to provide mentorship. And that could be people that have really been experienced, have had successes in the back, have some of the gray hair that some of us done, and really to save these